Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're camping at Rideau River Provincial Park. This is our first time visiting Rideau River Provincial Park, located just 50 minutes south of Ottawa along the banks of the Rideau River. It's one of the smaller parks with only 98 hectares of land. Even though it's smaller, it still has a ton of campsites, including some pull-through sites for your trailer.
Rideau River Provincial Park has over 200 campsites available for rent. A lot of them look pretty nice. A lot of them are all tree covered. The sizes do depend, so when you're renting, definitely try and check out some of the photos. Some of them are quite large, and others like this one are a little bit smaller. So when you're booking your campsite, just be mindful that some of these campsites are extremely close to the road, like 20 feet away from the road. So if car noise is something that bothers you, definitely book on the south side of the main road that goes through the park.
This section of the campground is for group camping. It's a pretty big space. I wonder what the capacity is. Not sure. And it looks like they have their own washrooms, water station. I imagine a fire pit somewhere around here.
So besides regular campsites for your tent and trailer, they actually have a few other types of accommodations. The first ones being these yurts. So they're not quite a cabin, they're more that canvas tent style, but they look super fancy. They're called prospector tents. They look really nice. They also come equipped with barbecue and they look fully wheelchair accessible.
Now to show you where we're staying. We rented a cabin for our stay here at Rideau River Provincial Park.
So this provincial park has 2 cabins available to rent. Each come with microwave, fridge, barbecue. There's table and chairs, there's 2 beds, there's fireplace, and it's super close to the water. The only downfall that we can see so far is that the 2 cabins are pretty close to each other. So privacy is a little bit more minimal than we were hoping, but everything else looks incredible.
So the only things that you need to bring to the cabin are, of course, your bedding, and then all of your cooking supplies, your utensils, your plates, your pots and pans, all of that kind of stuff.
The cabin also has this really nice sunroom. So even if it rains, we've got a really nice place to sit and relax.
For the first time ever!
So right here on our front porch, we've got a couple chairs, we've got our barbecue, we have a wheelchair accessible ramp, and we also have the washrooms right there. So everything is super close.
So both cabins come with their very own picnic table and your own private fire pit. All right, come on and I will show you our semi-private washrooms. We have our fancy vault toilet. Ooh, and feature, highlight of this bathroom, soap, running cold water, but still, and paper towel. All right, so we have our outdoor sink back here on the back of the washrooms, and we have your water tap.
So they do have a main washroom with showers available, and it's pretty centrally located in the campground. So nice and easy to find, easy to access.
So I have taken notice to how well tended to this park is. Probably one of the more cleanlier ones I've ever been to. The facilities have been fantastic. The cleaners have been on the ball at our bathrooms the same time every single day. And I actually see a ton of park staff out here today actually maintaining the grounds and picking up sticks and cutting branches. You don't see that. Not a lot. I mean, I don't know. Well done. Well done.
And they've all been extremely friendly.
Yes.
Everyone here is really nice and helpful.
Yes.
This has been a really great park experience.
Definitely. A+. Would come again.
So there are lots of pros to this park. It is super clean, lots of wildlife. It's super quiet. The cons, I would say, really the only one is the highway is once again very close to where you camp.
Yeah.
And you can hear the cars and trucks and especially the motorcycles. So at night, if you're looking for something that is completely void of city noise and traffic,
go north.
This probably isn't the park for you. You probably want to go a bit further north to some of the quieter parks. But as far as noise goes, this park has been silent.
Yeah.
It's been super relaxing. Everything here is super clean, and I would definitely come back.
I like it. It's a good campground.
The one other downfall about this park that I forgot to mention was the swimming. If you're someone that loves to swim and get in the water, this park is probably not going to be your best choice. All the water, it's pretty dark. It's got a lot of seaweed, perfect for snapping turtles and frogs, but definitely not your best option for swimming.
They do have a couple small beaches, but the swimming area is very small and very shallow. Perfect for kids.
Well, the weather for the last 3 days has been exceptionally good. It has been amazing up here. It's been so hot. A little bit rainy this morning, but we've had the privilege of spending our entire morning watching this giant snapping turtle behind us lay her eggs in the grass right beside our cabin.
I definitely didn't ever think I would get to see something like that. So that's been pretty amazing.
What a great way to finish off this vacation. So we are gonna head back to London, which means we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
No shortage of mosquitoes.